Hello everyone, welcome back to Grey Pot. Today we are making a simple and easy mushroom filling for sandwiches. In a pan, melt some butter. Into that add chopped garlic. Saute it for some time. Add in 1 sliced onion. Saute till it changes its color, and then here I am adding some milk mushrooms. Saute for around 10 minutes till it gets cooked. Then add some all-purpose flour. Saute till the flour gets roasted, and then add some milk. Mix it. Once the milk becomes thick, add salt and some chili powder, also some pepper powder. Mix it. Then add a mixture of cream and milk. Add till you get the perfect consistency for the sandwich. Once you're happy with the consistency, finally add some oregano and turn off the flame. Now our filling is ready. Take a bread slice, apply the filling, sprinkle some oregano and some chili flakes, and enjoy. This is a super easy and very healthy recipe. It's best for kids' lunch boxes. So do try it out. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more recipe videos. Thank you.